In this tutorial, we will write JavaScript for limiting number of characters in a text field. Many a times when you make a PDF form, you want to limit the number of characters user input to a specific text field. Here, we will prevent the user from entering any input after he or she has reached a particular limit, and also, user can see in real time how many characters he or she is left with. Go to Forms tool in Acrobat and select Edit to enter form editing mode. Draw a new text field on the document where you want users to enter their information. Open the text field properties. In the Appearance tab, customize the font style and size to your liking. Under the Options tab, check the multi-line box, since this will be a larger text area. Next, draw a second, smaller text field below the main one. This will act as our dynamic character counter. Open the properties for this new field. Give it a name like char counter. Set it to read only so users can't modify it, and right align the text. Now, go back to the properties of your main input text field. Navigate to the Format tab. Change the Select Format category to Custom and click Edit for the custom keystroke script. Here, we enter the JavaScript. This script defines the maximum character limit, continuously calculates the characters remaining as the user types, and sends that number to our counter field. It's also programmed to stop accepting keystrokes and display a red Limit Reached warning when the limit hits 0. Click OK to save the script,
Close the Properties windows and close Form Editing mode so we can test it. Let's see it in action. As text is typed into the main field, watch the counter at the bottom update in real time. Once the 500 character limit is reached, the warning appears, and the field refuses any additional input.